Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm excited to show you a simple yet powerful tool that can help you bridge language gaps effortlessly. It's all about how to translate phrases using Google Translate. First, we need to open your web browser. So open the web browser on your end and search for translate.google.com. Once you're on the Google Translate page, you'll see two boxes. In the left box, type or paste the phrase you want to translate. It could be anything, a sentence, a paragraph, even a whole page. So I've copied something and then I will paste it here and then we will let Google translate the language for us. So take a look at the right box. Your phrase is magically translated into your chosen language. Google Translate is like having a language wizard in your pocket. But hold on, there's more. If you're not sure about the accuracy, you can listen to the pronunciation by clicking the speaker icon. It's like having a personal language coach. And here's a neat trick. You can switch the languages between the boxes. Let's say you want to translate from English to Chinese. Type your English phrase on the left and then the Chinese translation will appear on the right. Want to reverse it? Just swap the boxes. It's like having a bilingual conversation with yourself. Click here. See? Simple as that. And that's it. You now know how to translate phrases using Google Translate. It's quick, easy, and can be a game changer for connecting with people from around the world. Whether you're learning a new language or communicating with someone abroad, Google Translate has got your back. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to translate phrases using Google Translate. Remember, communication knows no boundaries. And with tools like this, you're one step closer to a more connected world. See you on my next video.